Good morning, students. Welcome to 5th G Science class. Today we will start chapter number 8, Sound and Noise. Students, what is sound? Sound is something that produces sensation of hearing to the ears. We hear different sounds. We can recognize things even without seeing the things. Sound is produced by living beings and non-living things. For example, we can recognize the sounds of ticking clock, phone call, piano, flute, then bass, xylophone, drum, violin. And also we can recognize some animals by their sounds. For example, we can recognize dog by its barking sound. I will show you some sounds you can recognize. Yes, this is the sound of ticking clock. Then this is the sound of call bell. This is the sound of piano. You can recognize by the sound. This is the sound of flute. This is the sound of bus. So like this you can recognize the things by their sound. Now next, student, sound is also produced by trees and fallen leaves, and all the vibrating bodies also produces the sounds. Now the next topic is warning sounds. Students, some vehicles produce some typical sounds that warn us to give way to them. For example, vehicles like fire engine and ambulance produces some typical warning sounds as they need to reach the particular places like hospital and the place on the fire at the earliest. So if we are on the road, we must make way for them. Next topic is pleasant and unpleasant sounds. And unpleasant sounds. Students, some sounds are pleasant to the ears. For example, sounds of chirping birds, then flute or any musical instrument like trumpet, guitar, flute, tabla, violin, piano. These all musical instruments produce pleasant sound. Next is unpleasant sound. Some sounds are unpleasant to the ears. For example, sound of running machines, then aeroplane taking off from the airport, then honking vehicles like auto rickshaw, bus, truck on the road. These all produce unpleasant sounds. Next topic is noise and music. What is noise? Students, noise is a sound which is not pleasing to the ears. It is unwanted sound that causes annoyance and pain. But on the other hand, music is a melodious sound which is pleasant to the ears, and it is produced by the musical instruments. Next topic is noise pollution. What is noise pollution? Noise pollution is the disturbance produced by the unpleasant sound resources, and it is caused by loud and harsh sounds from the various sources. Noise pollution is produced by industries, the second vehicular traffic, and the third household equipments. You can see in this picture, noise pollution is produced by vehicular traffic and household equipments like kitchen appliances, juicer, mixer, and vacuum cleaner. And noise pollution is also produced by firecrackers. Next topic is harmful effects of noise pollution. Students, noise pollution has several harmful effects. The first one is it distracts people and reduces concentration, and this leads to fatigue and tiredness. The second is blood pressure. Students, it adds to existing tensions in the life which causes short-temperedness and blood pressure. The third, it can cause temporary and permanent deafness in the people who work for long hours in the noisy places. Next and last topic is ways to reduce noise pollution. Students, noise pollution is harmful in several ways. Hence, we must reduce it by the following ways. The first one, silencing devices must be installed in the aircraft engines, industrial machines and home appliances. The second, the loudspeakers must be used away from the hospitals and from the residential areas. The third, the use of horns in the vehicles must be minimized. And the fourth, use TV, radio and music system must be played at low volume. And the next one is people working in the noisy places should wear earplugs. And next, plant more trees as they absorb sound. And the last, use headphones for TV and music. But students, listening music using earphones and headphones for long hours daily can cause hearing loss. So it should be avoided. So don't use too much earphones while listening music. So students, this is all about your chapter. Now homework for you is thoroughly read your chapter and try to solve book exercise and write new words on your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.